Good morning, children. In the previous class, we have learnt about invertebrates. Today I am going to teach about vertebrates. Vertebrates means animals which have backbone. Such groups are called vertebrates. Vertebrata are grouped into two: vertebrates without jaw, vertebrates with jaw. The groups further grouped into 6 classes. They are class Cyclostomata, class Fishes, class Amphibians, class Reptilia, class Apes and class Mammals. First one is class Cyclostomata. The Cyclostomata are jawless vertebrates. They are elongated and eel-like structure. The body is slimy, that means viscous, sticky in nature. Okay. Then the body is no scale, so we can say scaleless body, and they are ectoparasite. Ectoparasite means live on other living organism on their external surface. So that is ectoparasite. Have you understood? Example, lamprey. Next one is class Fishes. The fishes are poikilothermic animals, that means cold-blooded animals. They are aquatic animals with jaw. They are streamlined body, that means boat-shaped body. The body is divisible into head, trunk and tail. It is locomotion is by using the median fins and paired fins. Respire through gills, and it has 2-chambered heart, an auricle and a ventricle. See, the cartilaginous, 2 types of fish. They are cartilaginous fish and bony fish. Cartilaginous fish, the skeleton made with cartilaginous. Cartilaginous means young tissue developed into bones later. That is cartilaginous type of fish. Example, shark and skates. The next one is bony fish, the skeleton made up of bones. Example, carps and mullets. Have you understood? The next class, Amphibia. Class Amphibia, they are first formed 4-legged animals, so they are called tetrapods. It has a dual adaptation, that means it lives on land and in water. And also the body is mucus in condition, that means the skin contains mucus gland, secrete mucus. And the body is divided into head and trunk. They have four limbs used to walk, jump. Okay. And then the tadpoles transform into adult. Example, frog, toad, etc. Have you understood? Next one is class Reptilia. They are lived on land. Their body is covered by horny epidermal scales. They respire through their lungs. The heart is 3-chambered except crocodile. Crocodile has 4-chambered heart. We know 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. They lay their eggs with hard shells. Example, calotus, turtle. Have you understood? Next one is class A's, that is birds group. Okay, they are homeothermic animals, means warm-blooded animals. Okay, the body is boat-shaped. The body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. The body covered by feathers to keep the body warm. Then next, the body has 4 limbs and hind limbs, 4 limbs modified into wings to fly. Okay. The hind limbs is used to walk and swim. The next one, the forelimbs also has bones, the bones filled with air. So that bones are called pneumatic bones. The pneumatic bones reduce the body weight so that it can fly easily. Okay. Then next, this group of birds lay large yolk-laden eggs covered with shell. Have you understood? Example, parrot, crow, etc. Next one is class Mammalia. They are warm-blooded animals. The body is covered with hairs. The body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. The skin contains sweat gland and sebaceous gland. In female, they have a mammary glands to secrete milk to their young ones. Then the body has external ear, that is pinnae. The heart is four-chambered, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. They, in some animals, are egg-laying mammals. Egg-laying mammals, they lay their eggs. Example, platypus, spiny anteaters, and others are, most of the mammals are give birth to young ones. Such groups are called viviparous. What is viviparous? Mammals which are giving birth to their young ones. Such groups are called viviparous. Example, rat, rabbit, etc. Have you understood? Today we have completed about vertebrates. Thank you. Have a nice day.